This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Zelle. First, ensure your bank or credit union supports Zelle, as many major financial institutions do. Next, download your bank's mobile app if you haven't already, or the standalone Zelle app if your bank isn't directly integrated. Finally, open the app and look for the Zelle option to begin the enrollment process. You'll typically use your U.S. mobile number or email address to register. Once you've started the enrollment, you'll need to verify your identity. This usually involves a quick process through your financial institution's app or website. After verification, you'll link your checking or savings account to your Zelle profile. It's crucial to double-check that all your contact information, including your mobile number and email, is accurate to prevent any issues with sending or receiving money. This step ensures secure transactions. With Zelle set up, sending money is straightforward. Simply select a contact from your phone or enter their U.S. mobile number or email address. Enter the amount you wish to send, review the details, and confirm. To receive money, just provide your registered U.S. mobile number or email to the sender. Funds are typically available in your linked bank account within minutes, making it a fast and convenient way to transfer money. Remember, Zelle is designed for sending money to friends, family, and others you trust. Always double-check the recipient's information before sending funds, as Zelle payments are fast and generally cannot be canceled once sent. It's not recommended for business transactions or buying items from strangers. For more great tips and to check out the Owala water bottle mentioned, please see the link in the description below, along with other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.